first question, how good does it feel to get back to your annual marketing event?
Oh, it's just nice to have people in the building and having a party. I mean, it's been 2 years with, limited contact and small groups, but this is fun.
What is special about your 2021 event that makes it stand out in addition to it being your first pandemic event?
I think we went all out to have a diverse group of with very interesting things. We have Klipsch here with the Jubilees. We've got Kef here with the guy from the Louis Armstrong Museum with his collection of recently put together from the tapes, CDs, and we've got Luxman, who we love and depend on here. We've got John McDonald from Audience, and we've got Paradigm Anthem up in the big theater with their founders and new MRX. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff for everybody. It's fun. It's a little bit of everything.
Okay. You've kind of alluded to this already, but what are some of the highlights of this year's event?
Well, that basically we did cover that. But the fact of the matter is, the highlight is just having an event. To be blunt, I mean, it's been so long. It's been 2 years. We did them every 6 months, and we did them from the day we opened. And then for the past 2 years, we haven't had a chance to do it. It's just nice to get in touch with. I've been talking to people who responded to our mailings and our emails that I haven't talked to in a year or two, and it's just nice to see everybody again.
Okay. Looking ahead to 2022, where do you expect the AV market's big things to be happening for your company from your perspective?
I don't see any slowdown in business. I think we're going to have a challenge in getting things next year. I don't think the supply chain issues are going to magically disappear anytime soon. So I think probably the most important thing is making sure we have stuff for people when they want it. We got in the habit, we never used to carry a ton of inventory, but now we are stocking up every time we see something that's available. And I think that's going to be the people who have the stuff are going to succeed. I think it's going to be that simple.